Well, this is at Hildy from Sands End. I've been looking forward to jumping on it. So, I mean, look at it, gorgeous colours. What do you reckon, Master?
Really? I'm not a dirty Dobby.
Okay, I'll clean me pen.
Against the mill, sold out to goblin heart and constant taunting, every step daunting. Life's a house of wanting, muscles taut and thoughts combating. Who am I affronting? Brain cells rotten, seeking fame forgotten. Cracks in my veneer, mask my fear, mirror sneers. Pour another beer, drown what's near. Cannon deer, dark eyes peer, future unclear, pain severe. Laughter ends here, tied to the spear. Death's cavalier. Dark humor blooms in gardens, gloom them turn to tomb. Deep in the room, whispers boom, mental clutches loom. Problems mushroom, thoughts consume, happy just a fume. Life's a doom, cold as the moon, down the path we zoom.
So now that's all done and clean, I'm guessing we can do this, Master. Can we? Can we do it? Oh, Master. I won't do my room. No, I wanted to. No, Master. No!